I'm Giovanni. I will talk to you about CEMUS. I will explain to you my experience and what CEMUS is about. It's a student-led initiative. Um, Students from SLU and Uppsala University can participate, and it's been there for 30 years almost, and its main purpose was always to go beyond what and the way things are taught in class. So aims to reach self-learning and to obtain holistic views on a topic. So it combines natural and social sciences through reading circles, seminars, group discussions, movie screenings. It's also an opportunity when you are choosing your courses. CEMUS offers student-led courses, which are very different, of course, from normal courses. They are much more um, discussion-based and reading-based, and there's no real examination. So it's a very different way of learning. CEMUS became also um, meeting point for activists and for the environmental movement. Um, Groups are organized to go to COP conferences and the calendar or the climate actions. So it's also this, and most importantly, it's, at least for me, a meeting point in town where you can also meet people who are not from SLU, and you don't have necessarily to drink or have fun. You can just go there and discuss. And so CEMUS was this for me, and I think it's a very nice project. And I wish you a very good experience. And ciao ciao.